Galaxy AI is not just a fun tool that you use to show off. We've said that before. Galaxy AI has real tangible productivity benefits. Daniel here from SamMobile TV. I'm going to show you 5 ways you can use Galaxy AI for productivity. So, you want to know how to get some stuff done using AI. Simple. You can do it on your Samsung. Obviously, there's a lot of AI tools out there now. Stuff on your PC, there's stuff on the internet, ChatGPT, of course. But a lot of things you want to be doing, you can actually do it straight from your Samsung phone using Galaxy AI. First one that you'll want to be using for productivity is summarizing websites. Now, you might not think that's got a direct relation to productivity, but depending on how you like to consume media, this could make it a lot easier and quicker to actually digest information, which means you can be freed up to actually do other stuff a bit quicker as well. So if you're reading a long article and you want to summarize it, we've shown you how to do that on the channel many times before. But because it gives you this concise summary, you can then quickly skim over that. And if you're happy enough with that, you can move on. Doubly though, with that, you can actually take that website summary and put it somewhere else, whether that be in Samsung Notes, send it to a friend or a colleague, and you can actually look like you're making concise notes and summaries of websites and articles. That's number one way you can use it. Number 2, inside Samsung Notes, once you've sort of typed up your note or whatever it is that you're looking at making, you can make it neatly formatted. Samsung with AI has got auto format built in. What you can do is sort of choose and select the text that you've created and format it in a way that looks more visually aesthetically pleasing. Swipe to choose what format and style you like, and then simply drop it into place, either replacing the note you've made or into a new note, which means you can keep both copies should you want them. There is some limitations to it. It doesn't do a lot of text. It can only do a certain amount. It will let you know how much you can do, and then you will have to keep sort of selecting the next part of the text to add that into the formatting. But as a function, it's really cool because it does make it look neater. You've got meeting notes and you've got bullet points as 2 options that you can format it to. So you choose the style that you like, and then you choose the formatting that you like and add that into your note. Number 3, still in Samsung Notes, is the summaries function. Very similar to the summaries function in Samsung Internet, you can use this to summarize your notes that you've made. So think about this. You're in a lecture, you're in a meeting, and you've taken a ton of notes from that meeting. There's a lot of information there. You want to make it more concise, to maybe attach it to minutes or to attach it to your own records. The way to do it is using the summaries function. This can select all of the text that you wrote down, and you simply press summarize, and it will give you either a short or a detailed summary of what you have wrote down. And similar to formatting, you can easily replace or add it into a new note or copy it out of there altogether to take it into another app, and it'll live in your clipboard for you to paste somewhere else. As I said, really good if you're someone who likes to take a lot of notes and you're extensive in your note taking. You can summarize it after the fact using this function. Number 4 is inside Samsung's voice recorder, you have transcriptions. If you record your meetings instead of taking notes initially, after the fact, you can transcribe that entire meeting. It will separate it by a person and speaker. It will give you the full transcript of what has been said in that meeting. What's also really cool is you can summarize that. So once you've got that full transcription, you can summarize everything that's in there and then take that into an email, into minutes, and send that off also. It's a really clever way of utilizing the transcription that has been created to then taking it into a summary form. Because a lot of people won't need the whole transcription. They will just want a breakdown, a summary of what has actually gone down in that meeting. And number 5, circle to search. You might not think it, but circle to search can be a great productivity tool for achieving different tasks that you need to do. Whether that be finding products that you've seen pictures of about where to buy them. So if you need to take your team to dinner, hotels, this is a great way of just circling the thing you need and letting Google and its search functionality take care of the rest for you. It's very quick and very responsive. And in those different scenarios, whether that be shopping, whether that be researching restaurants or hotels, it will give you everything you need very succinctly. It's a very, very fast way of doing it. Simply just long press the bottom of the screen where the home button normally sits, circle the thing you need, and away you go. It also has really good text recognition as part of it as well. So it's not just about searching, it also can do text recognition. So circle to search. Amazing Galaxy AI productivity tool. There are top 5 productivity tools using Galaxy AI. If you are interested in the future of Galaxy AI, you will not want to miss Galaxy Unpacked in a few days' time. Make sure you hit subscribe because we will bring you all the information as we have it. Come check out our website as well, lots of information. And if you want to reserve your device for the next Unpacked, use the link in the description. See you next time. Thanks.